Hello guys. Yeah, welcome to On Point FX one more time again, and we're recording this on YouTube too and on TikTok. All right, so let's move straight to the chat, and you know how we do it. You know how we do it. First of all, what do we have to do? First of all, yeah. First of all, what I do is let's check the news for the week. Let's just check the news for the week, and let's know what's gonna happen for this week. All right, so let's go to forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com. Okay, so we are in forexfactory.com. We want to see the incoming news for the week. All right, it's very, very important as a trader. Make sure you always check the forexfactory.com to know the news coming, incoming news. Okay, so now on Monday, which is tomorrow or today, some countries are already in this, and we have bank holiday on JPY. We have bank holiday, and Tuesday, I think that's just one hike impact news for Monday. And Tuesday, we have odd. That one is monetary policy. It's a meeting minute, so that one doesn't move that much. And we have what? We have card. Card is also it will move the market. Let's see how it works. And Wednesday, we have a lot of news coming up. GBP CNY and GBP USD. We have what? FOMC. That's another high impact news, which is FOMC. Yeah. So we are expecting the market to move this week. So this week we have a lot of news coming out this week. This week is going to be filled up with a lot of news and news. So let me know if you can hear me very well, and please double tap on the screen to give me massive likes. All right, so we know the news which are coming out for the week, right? And so first of all, what do we have to do? We want to check to see how the markets. First of all, you know how we do it here. If you are watching here, yeah, so now we first of all on point effect, we like doing what we like to check on the DXY. Very, very important. DXY, right? And DXY stands for the dollar index, all right? So when DXY is performing bullish, that means we expect dollar to be what strong. If DXY is performing bearish, that means we expect dollar to be weak, right? But currently we can see since last week, dollar has been what on the major what push, and it's very strong, right? And as it's strong this way, what do we expect? We expect dollar to perform very well. So you don't have to go against dollar on any of the pairs, right? So we can see GBP USD to selling and other stuff. So we'll go there. But for now, we are just trying to disintegrate the chart and see what's happening on the dollar this week. So now you can see my zones which are aligned on the chart. My zones are still on the chart. And so what we're expecting is that we're expecting more push to the top. I'm still expecting more push to the top. Hopefully we can even break here, but when we get to this level, we'll see what's going to happen, and whether we'll continue moving upwards. If we are to move upwards too, that's a good news. We still will make it more push to the upward direction, and there's still more potential move on dollar. So we are still expecting dollar to be very strong this week, hopefully. We are still expecting dollar to be very strong this week, hopefully. So let's be very mindful and watchful for dollar. Okay, so let's go and check the DXY. Let's check the DXY. Let's check the JPY basket too and see what is happening on JPY basket. All right. Let's go and check on the DXY. Okay, JPY basket. JPY basket has also been very bearish the whole of this week, though it was pushing up a little, but then got bearish again. And we're expecting DXY to hopefully break this zone here, which is making more sense. It's pushing to break the zone. And after the zone is broken, what do we expect to see? We expect more bearishness in Japanese yen. I mean, Japanese yen is going to be weak. All right. So now, like I said, dollar is going to be strong. Japanese yen is looking bearish and weak. Okay, so we should know what's going to happen. So let's look at the DXY. We said DXY was very strong, right? So we should be expecting GBP USD to be also selling from as from last week, and you can see the sales which are happening on GBP USD, because there are still more sales dropping. More sales are dropping on this pair. All right, so let's move ahead to Euro USD. We're expecting what I think a retest is happening, but after the retest, let's see how it goes on that the sector here, and we sell it all the way to the downwards direction. Let's go on AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD have been playing our tricks, going up and down, up and down, up and down, and we are still anticipating for more sales coming in on what AUD USD, guys. AUD USD. So let's move to what DXY again. DXY again. So we said that with DXY is what pushing upward. That means the dollar could also be what very strong, right? But if DXY is very bearish, that means dollar is going to be weak. You get me? Yeah. So that's just a simple scenario for now. Yeah. And let's go and look at gold. Gold. People like gold a lot. People like gold a lot. And let's see what's gonna happen on gold. Gold had a retracement back. Gold is also having a retracement back, but then I'm still looking for more bearishness in gold. I'm still looking for more bearishness in gold, and let's see how it goes on, right? Let's see how it plays out, and hopefully our last week we had our strategy play out all the week. We our strategies were what playing out on every what on every what every setup, you understand, every setup, our price, everything was moving exactly what we wanted, you understand. So we're expecting what more strengthening in dollar this week and more weakness in what JPY, right? So let's go and look at JPY pairs to JPY. That means if JPY is going to weak, the Japanese yen is going to be, that means we're expecting what more push toward GBP is going to be strong. You understand? That's what it implies. So let's look at CAD JPY. That means you see what's happening. If CAD JPY is what's weak, that means if JPY is weak, that means we are looking at what's strengthening CAD. So we're expecting CAD to be what pushing all the way to the top. And that is what's currently happening. That is what's currently happening. And let's look at all JPY. All JPY too, we are expecting what's weakness in dollar. So we expect weakness in JPY. So we're expecting what more move to the upwards direction. So JPY is going to be weak, hopefully. And once we see the weakness, I mean we're expecting more the core currency to be very strong. That's it. That's just basically that. That's just basically that. Okay. Yeah. So when you are trading this week, just be mindful and be watchful. I'm still holding some pairs in the market, and I'm expecting it to move the way I want it, and it will definitely move. Once you know what you're doing, you are not scared. You are not scared, guys. You are not scared. So let's hope and see what's happening. Let's check on US oil. US oil is currently pushing. Yeah, it's pushing. So wow, that's a beautiful move. You can see it here. Beautiful move. And still expecting more push to come. Okay. Yeah, so guys, that's that. And if you're in Accra, you can be part of our mega training event. It will be happening hopefully beginning of next month. It will be happening beginning of next month. And so you can just check for our numbers. It's everywhere. You can also check on if you are on YouTube, just check under the description. You see our numbers there. Just pick it and contact, and let us handle you for the mega training, which will be happening in Accra, somewhere East Legon. Okay. Yeah. So guys, let me end right now on the recording.